Hello friends, welcome back. Here we can see how to use where class, and we use different operator in where class. So first of all, I just use equal operator here. So for that, this is the equal operator, and this is the sign of the equal operator here, and this is the syntax of the equal operator. You just use the one of the example here. So I just use select star for workers, and I just write it here. So first of all, I just open the a page here in our workbench, and I just write that is select star from worker is my table name, and after that I just write where score is equals to 33. So this is the condition here. So where the score is the 33, it can show the data of particular of the workers table. So here you can see that the score is 33, and we just see here that the total condition is successfully completed, and workers table show the data that is one is customer ID 4, that is Suchitra Malik, and so here you can see the equal operator, and next is our greater than operator. So greater than operator symbol is like that, and we just see the example of the greater than operator. We just use score is equal to greater than 32. So this is the condition of the where clause, and we just use the greater than operator in the our HR at the local page. So I just write it that select star from workers, and after that I just put the condition, that is where clause condition, that is where score is greater than 30. That means the score where this, and before that we just go to the my workers table here, and you can see the total score here. So after that I just execute the where clause for greater than symbol, and the score which is bigger than greater than 12, it is showing here the in the workers table here, and you can see that this is the output of the workers table. And after completing the greater than operator, just go to the less than operator. So I just zoom it so that you can see it properly. The less than symbol is like that, and this is the example of the workers example. We just here you can use the score is equal less than equal to 23. So I just put that condition. So before that I just go to workers table. So I just write select star from workers, and after that it just I just copy paste it so that it can run it properly. So I just after that I just execute select star from workers. So after that it can show the workers tables here, and after that I just write select star from workers, and after that I just put the condition, put condition where in our class that where score is less than is equals to 23. So less than 23 score will be shown by the workers table. So I just execute it by using control plus enter, and you can see that this is the our total system here, and to the program here, and you can see that this is the score here which is less than 23, and you can see the customer ID, customer name of the total score here, and after completing the less than operator, we just go to the or greater than or equal to operator. So I just zoom it so that you can see it properly. This is the greater than and equal to operator. This is the one operator. Do not think that it is a separate operator. We just use greater than operator and equal operator at the same time. So for that we just use the two operator in a single method. So it is known as one method. So greater than equal to method. So here we just put the condition that is score is equal to greater than equals to 15. So which data which is greater than and equals to 15, it can solve by the workers table. So I just again go to the workers table by using select star from workers, and after that I just write a program that is select star from workers, and after that we just put the condition in where class that where the score is greater than equals to our 15. So after that I just execute it, and after that you can see that the workers table so put that the data which is greater than 15 and equals to 15, you can show by this. So you can show the 19 year and 17 year and 25 also. So this is the total program here, and this is the output of this workers table. So it can show by the workers, and and after completing the greater than equals operator, I just go to the less than equals to operator here. So for that I just use it. So here you can use the less than and equals to operator for writing, and here is the first we use the less than operator, and it is again after that we just use equal to operator. This is a single operator, do not think that it is a separate operator. We just use here less than and equals to operator here, and after that here is the total example of the operator. Here you can use this where score is less than equals to 12, so that means the data which is the score which is less than 12, it can show by workers. So again I just go to workers table, and after that I just write select star from workers, and where I just use the condition, that is where score is less than equals to 12. So less than 12 the score will be displayed by the workers table. Then after that just execute it by using control enter, and here you can see that our this is the program here, and you can see this is the output of the workers table. So here you can less than data will be 7, 11, 12 and 5 here, and it's the total data of the workers will be showing by 8.